Hey, this is the first day of my 30 days talking to the camera challenge. I'm starting this because I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel, but I just don't know how to talk to the camera. And I have never done this before. I've been preparing myself for starting this YouTube channel, but I've been only buying gears, buying gadgets, and like microphone, the camera, and all other stuffs. But I never started because the most important thing in my understanding about starting a YouTube channel is to understand what I'm going to talk about. Okay. I didn't know. I don't know. I still don't know. At this moment, I still don't know what to talk about. So I thought maybe I will just leave that part for now, and I'll think about it later. So I decided that I would just get started. Get started by just lowering my quality requirement, you can say, on every aspect of a YouTube video. So I will record myself, and that's it. It doesn't have to be a high quality content. It doesn't need to be a good recording. It doesn't need to be a good editing. It doesn't need to have any fancy stuff, right? It doesn't even need to have any meaning, any value that it delivers to you, to the audience. So I'll get started. So the goal is really to make it so easy, so simple that that I feel comfortable just starting. So that's the idea. The idea is to do this 30 days speaking into the camera challenge. And I don't care what I'm talking about in every video. I will just pick a topic every day and I'll just talk on this topic and maybe wander around and wander somewhere. Don't know where I'm going to end up with. So today it's about creating this YouTube channel. Why do I want to create YouTube channel? I don't know. I feel it's just something fun to try. I want to I wanted to create this channel for quite a long time because it looks fun. It looks like, on YouTube, I consume a lot of content on YouTube, and it always make me feel that, hey, these people, they're all so knowledgeable. They have all these very inspiring stories to share. Maybe I can do that too. But then when I looked at myself, I was like, I don't know what story I have. I don't know what is something that I can deliver to people and that's available. No, that's valuable, right? So I wanted to create a channel, but I just didn't think I can, or didn't think I have something to deliver. But it still sounds fun, right? Think about it. If you have a channel and you have an audience and your audience actually interact with you, and you know that every time you post a video, they may make comments. Of course, I know that whatever you say on the internet, there will be people criticizing you or maybe making judgmental comments. But does it matter? It doesn't matter, because eventually I'm doing this hopefully just for fun. Uh, and I guess, I'm guessing that I will care less about those negative comments. Yeah. And Yeah, I also talked to a lot of friends. I told them that, hey, you know what? I'm thinking about creating a YouTube channel, and they're all like, hey, that's exciting. I would love to see it, or anything I can help you with. Maybe brainstorming, or maybe even we can do it together. And I'm not that kind of person who think about collaboration all the time. But there's part of me really feel that if I'm doing this alone, there will be a day when I feel that I don't have new ideas, I don't have more materials to talk about. I lose my motivation, I lose my source of idea. So having a partner, having someone to work together, to collaborate with, is probably a good idea, right? But it also adds to the complexity of creating something, because now it's not just one person, your idea, it's not just about expressing myself, but it's also balancing the voice between maybe me and my friend, whoever I collaborate with. So I was like, maybe let me do this for my with my let me do this on my own first, and then I'll see what comes up and how does it feel, and maybe there are ideas that we can also do something on the side that collaborates together. So yeah, yeah, and I definitely not, I'm not doing this for money, because first of all, I have no idea, I have no confidence at all that this is gonna bring me any kind of income. I'm literally just doing it for fun. So I hope it stays fun. I hope it stays enjoyable. I hope it stays as something that I'm eager to, or I look forward to put in my effort and talk to the camera. This is my first day talking into the camera, but I hope that maybe there are longer period in the future that I will enjoy doing this. I will be more comfortable doing this, and hopefully, maybe by any chance, anything that I say brings a value to someone, then it'll be awesome, right? So keep it light, keep it playful. I think that's what I will do with this thing. I don't even want to call it a channel. This thing. All right. I guess that's my day one on the 30 days challenge. I will post daily from today on. Today is June the 1st. So let's see what my last video in this month will look like on the June the 30th. Really look forward to it. Awesome. Thank you. Bye bye.